Hello guys, and welcome back to Scale Down Customs. I'm just going to do a quick little how-to video on how to take chrome plating off of plastic parts. So why would we want to take the chrome off of these kit parts? Well, it's a personal preference. For me, a lot of the mold lines and the sprue cut points that you try to brush those up or you try to sand those down, fix them up, they never look quite right. I've even touched them up with Maltol chrome pen and I just can't ever get the look right. So I end up stripping the chrome off and then I can paint them up any color I want. I can re-chrome it. There's some pretty good chrome sprays out on the market now. But if I take the kit chrome off, that allows me to clean the parts up, get them nice and smooth, and then re-chrome them and paint them the way I want. I found this technique from Tom at the Scale Modeling channel. Again, I've learned a ton from that guy, and I've been using this technique ever since, and it's been working fabulously for me. What I do, easy off oven cleaner, just coat your parts in there and let it sit for a couple minutes. It's really quick. It's a little strong. I usually wear my paint respirator and my gloves when working with this stuff, just for extra precaution. So we'll go show you that right now. All right, so there you go. I think my oven cleaner must be getting old. I didn't get all of it off, but enough that I can work with. So now I can clean up my mold lines and get my sprue attach points. Now I'm free to paint it whatever color I want, or re-chrome it, or paint it aluminum, whatever I want to do. Hope that helps. Just a quick little how-to video. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos coming out, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.